Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to activate Turnitin account. Hello guys. So, if your instructor or institution has created an account for you, look for an activation email from your Turnitin in your inbox. Then the email will contain a link to activate your account. This will take you to the Turnitin login page. Enter and confirm a secure password, then click Next or Confirm. Visit Turnitin login, then enter your email and new password to sign in. Then your Turnitin account is now activated. Now you can submit assignments, check originality reports, and use Turnitin with ease. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.